still here. The city lights are fading through the rain tonight. Your shadow still appears in every passing light. I tell myself I'm moving on and doing fine, but every road I take somehow still leads to you in my mind. And I know time keeps turning, the world keeps moving on, but some hearts keep a memory long after it's gone. I'm still here, holding on to echoes of the words we said beneath those summer skies. Still here, finding pieces of forever in the silence that you left behind. Maybe love doesn't disappear, maybe it just changes shape with time. And though you're gone, I'm still here. I found your photograph inside a drawer today, a frozen little moment that won't fade away. I smiled and then I cried, I guess that's how it goes. Some stories leave a mark that only the heart knows. And every dream I chased had a little bit of you, like a melody unfinished, still trying to break through. I'm still here, holding on to echoes of the words we said beneath those summer skies. Still here, finding pieces of forever in the silence that you left behind. Maybe love doesn't disappear, maybe it just changes shape with time. And though you're gone, I'm still here. If you could hear me now, I'd tell you what I never said, that every goodbye leaves 1,000 words unsaid. And even when the stars fall out of view, a part of me will always carry you. I'm still here, holding on to echoes, but I'm learning how to let the light back in. Still here, stronger than I ever knew, finding where a new life can begin. Oh, maybe love doesn't disappear, maybe it becomes the strength to fly. And though you're gone, I'm still here. Still here, still here, learning how to say goodbye.